little learners, today we are going to start with chapter 2, that is watching the lamb. So in this chapter, we will study about the one of the Fauzi winter where king and the Birbal went to the walk in the palace garden. Birbal, it's cold today. Your Majesty, it's fog everywhere. So a king dipped his hand in the pool water and oh, my fingers almost touched Birbal. This was cold water. So I think no more can work with such water. My lord, poor farmers and laborers work with such ice cold water. वो बता रहा है कि जो पुअर फार्मर्स है वो क्या करते हैं, इस ठंडे पानी से क्या करते हैं, काम करते हैं. So I will give out thousands gold coins to the person who can stand whole night in the pool water. वो क्या कह रहा है कि मैं क्या करूंगा, जो भी पूरे गोल्ड कॉइन्स दूंगा जो पूरी रात इसमें खड़ा रहेगा. Right? Did you really mean what, your majesty? So no doubt you take along with such a person in the evening. So what happened? Birbal took along the washerman to the king. Your majesty, this man was willing to stand in the cold water. Good man, you have to stand whole night. वो कहता है कि आपको पूरी रात खड़ा होना है. So if you stand a whole night in the cold water, I will give you 1000 gold coin. मैं आपको 1000 gold coin दूंगा. And oh, it is so cold, but gold coins I will do. The washerman stood in the cold pool. Keep watch, cover him, see that he does not cheat. तो आप देखो कि ये चीट ना करे. वह कहता है कि आपको देखना है कि चीट ना करे. The time passed by. Oh, I am freezing. What can I do? He saw a light shining from the core of the window of the palace. At last his lamp was hot and the cold weather. He kept this mind of the cold by watching the lamp. So in the morning, the king, Birbal and many other courtiers, they went to the pool. ये pool जाते हैं. Well, sir, I saw a lamp shining from one of the window of the palace. I kept my mind off the cold by watching the lamp and then I passed the time. और ऐसे मैंने करा, मैं टाइम पास कर लिया. मैंने देखा कि मैंने लैम्प में देखा आग जल रही है, उससे ही मैंने अपना टाइम पास कर दिया. So tell me, how did you keep standing in such a cold weather? Your Majesty, this man had cheated, but how? The heat from the lamp gave him warmth. कि वो जो heat थी लैम्प से उसने warmth दी, तो इसने क्या करा है, मतलब cheat करा है. He's saying that he has cheated. Yes, that is of course. You are cheat. Go awake. अब तुम जाओ. तो in the evening, the washerman and Birbal, don't worry, you will get your reward the tomorrow. कहता है कि कल तुम्हें तुम्हारा reward मिलेगा. Good sir, you saw the injustice. कि अच्छा लगा आपने injustice देखा. Next day the king court. It was, why has Birbal arrived all now till now? He may be ill. हो सकता है कि वो बीमार हो. तो go and find out where he was. The guard was back with the hole and my lord, he has been cooking khichdi since morning. कि वो खिचड़ी cook कर रहा होगा. What cooking since morning? The king himself goes to Birbal house with some courtiers. वो बीरबल के घर जाता है courtiers में. As you can see, my lord, I am cooking खिचड़ी. What are you doing? बीरबल वो कहता है कि क्या कर रहे हो? कि देखो मैं खिचड़ी बना रहा हूँ. But the heat enough to cook will not reach the pot so high. कि इतने ऊंचे पे अगर आप बनाओगे तो हीट जाएगी नहीं. तो it has, if the heat from the lamp can reach a man in a pool 100 of yards away, so then why can the beat reach only to the away? तो E वो कहता है, here is your reward, thousands of gold coin. Thank you so much, your majesty. You are very generous. वो कहता है कि आप बहुत generous हो. और वो क्या करता है लास्ट में, थैंक करता है. तो इस चीज से उसने क्या बताया कि जैसे भाई वो कोल्ड वाटर में खड़ा था, इतनी दूर हीट थी तो कैसे पहुंच जाएगी, ऐसे ही जो आप खिचड़ी बना रहे हो इतने ऊपर से हीट नहीं जा पाएगी. राइट. सो दिस वाज ऑल इन दिस चैप्टर. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद एक्सरसाइज. हु स्टूड होल नाइट इन द आइस वाटर ऑफ द पूल? कौन खड़ा होता है? गार्ड. हु सेड द वॉशरमैन चीटेड? किसने कहा था? बीरबल. हाउ डज द वॉशरमैन कीप स्टैंडिंग इन द आइस कोल्ड वाटर? बाय वॉचिंग लैम्प. बीरबल वॉज कुकिंग डैश खिचड़ी. Fill in the blanks. Poor farmers and laborers work with such cold water. This man is dash to stand in cold water. This man is ready to stand in the cold. He kept his mind off the cold by dash the lamp. वो क्या कर रहा था? Watch कर रहा था. How did you keep dash in such a cold water? He has been dash khichdi since morning. He has been cooking khichdi since morning. Now answer the following. Who work with the ice cold water even in winter? तो कौन work करता है? Farmers and laborers. Why did the king offer an award? Because he realized that he has not cheated. Why did Birbal choose washerman? How did the washerman pass the night? By watching the lamp. How was the Birbal doing at the home? What was the Birbal doing at the home? Birbal was cooking the khichdi at the home. Right? So this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we have completed the chapter. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.